Hey everybody, this is Samuel with Crossing Rivers Leatherworks. It's finally Christmas, and Die Hard is a Christmas movie. I will die on that hill. But started to do a new thing this year. Every year, as long as I've got this YouTube channel, then I'm going to be every Christmas. I'm just going to be uh, running through all the guns that I've got or acquired over the last year. I've sold some, acquired a few more, but we're just going to, I've got everything loaded up on a table over here, and we're just going to, we've got a plethora of targets. We're just going to have some fun. So first up, we've got this tiny little thing, the North American Arms 22 Magnum, and I doubt that I'm going to be able to hit anything with this. We have a steel target set up. I might try to hit that. I don't know if I will, if I'll be able to or not, but let's see. Okay, got a bunch of nothing. Next up, we've got the Heritage Rough Rider. This is the 22 long rifle cylinder. Uh, I will change out to the 22 Magnum cylinder after this one. Low. There we go. Do the Pale Rider cylinder swap. Alright, 22 Magnum. I don't know why it's having issues firing. Right. That was the Heritage 22 long rifle and Magnum. Next up, we've got the Taurus PT92. This is a little too fancy to be the Beretta that McLean had, but it'll do. And we're out. Move on to the next one. Next, we've got a CZ52 7.62 by 25. This is a Tokarev, however you want to say it. Put a few at it. This is a hand cannon by the standards of the day it was made. Okay, it's not minute of can. That's for the big ones. So I think it's definitely got a lot of muzzle report on it. Next up, got the Tisus 1911 45. This one I'm going to run 2 mags from just because it's fairly new. Okay, but yeah, I really like this one. See if we can hit that steel. Oh yeah. And we're out. Show another mag in it. Oh, I haven't made the lid go fly. Alright, go on to the next one. Okay, so this is the Thunder 5 revolver, and I've got it loaded up with a plethora. 45 rat shot, 45 jacket hollow point, 410 number 6, 410 buckshot, and 410 3-inch triple lot. And we'll do a video on this one sometime later, but now let's just have a little fun with it. A whole lot of nothing. 410 number 6, 410 buckshot, another 410 buckshot. See, that one's not the best at hitting stuff. It's better for close up. Now this one is technically a pistol. The Heritage Settler Mare's Leg. I did a video on this one earlier in the year. Very fun little toy. It's out. Alright, did those. Now I've got a video on this one coming up soon as well. This is the Magnum Research BFR in 350 Legend. Load up with some Winchester full metal jackets. Let's see what this thing will do. Might try and hit a can with it, I don't know. There we go. That thing's definitely got some report to it. I don't know if I want to try and hit the steel with this one or not. Oh man, that cap tried to come back after us. Hey, you know what? Let's hit the steel once with it at least. Hopefully it doesn't take it off. Whoa! Tell it smacked it pretty good. Right, next up, I'm gonna make sure my ears are in really good for this one. We've got a Taurus Raging Hunter. Also, again, I already did a video on this one earlier this year. I've got two 45 long Colt jacket hollow points, two Underwood 325 grain 460 hollow points, and at the end a 325 grain bear load, which hurts like crazy. So 45 long Colt. Gonna hit the steel with it. I'll knock the bottles off of it. 460 Smith & Wesson hollow point. Ow. Okay, shooting high. 325 grain bear load. Not aiming at anything in particular with this one. Woo! And you feel that. Whew. That's all of the pistols. This, the Henry 22 long rifle. This is the carbine, I believe. that one's out. Now, this one is a Savage Model 62. It's a very old semi-auto. It was made in Savage's Canadian factory, actually. Very fun little gun. And the Mossberg 22 AK-47. And this gun is honestly a very good trainer rifle. It's very, very light. The only complaint that I have with this one is it has an AR-15 safety on it instead of AK-47, but that's very minor. That's more just me being nitpicky. As you can see, very reliable little gun. Alright. Now, this next one, picked up here recently. This is a Thompson Center New Englander 50 cal percussion. Don't really know what to go for on this one. I'm gonna just go for a water jug, I guess. Fire in the hole. A little bit of a delay there. And next up, a Thompson Center Hawken 50 cal percussion. Love the smell of gunpowder in the morning, especially black powder. And next up we have a Zastava Mini Mauser. I forget which model they said this one is. It's a MDL M85. So, whatever that means. Go for the steel. Hits that steel pretty good. Let's go for a can. Or a bottle. Let's hit that steel again. Very fun little rifle. And this, I can't remember if I already did a video on this one or if I have to still post that video. I know I already filmed it. This is a AR-15 that I built in 50 Beowulf, and I did a leather forearm wrap, mag wrap, and pistol grip wrap. So let's a few things with this. There we go. And let's hit the steel one. Oh man, I'm not doing that again. Man, I hit that like a ton of bricks. Man. Oh! Okay, I hope the camera picked that up because that water jug just went really, really, really high up in the air. And except for shotguns, We've got a Remington TAC 14, and I'm loaded up with 9-pellet military double-aught. And this is definitely a vicinity gun. If it's in the vicinity of it, you'll hit it. Definitely has some muzzle report on it. All right, next up, this is a Winchester 1300 Defender in 12 gauge. And we're candy cane loaded up with Winchester number 8 Bird and military 9-pellet double-aught. And this is probably my favorite shotgun, the JTS AK-12. We've got a little well, we've got a little holographic up on it, and we're loaded up with 10 rounds of 9-pellet double-aught. This is not the military grade. This is just like some off-brand, like Cascade or something like that. I have no clue if this sight is anywhere on, by the way. And my sight just went off. I don't think it's supposed to do that. My sight keeps turning itself off. Apparently it's not rated for 12 gauge. And crimp on that one. It went kind of screwy. Yeah, so I don't know. Go in or not. Yep, that shell's just done. Crimp on it screwed up. And I believe that's everything except one. Now, as corny as this sounds, I cannot say the normal line, but I have a simulated machine gun. Ho ho ho. Ran perfect. That was the Pioneer Arms Hell Pup, by the way. Whew, man. Got smoking a little bit. 75 rounds. Can't have a whole lot more fun than that. Let's blow something up, and then we're done. Okay, so we can't afford a car to blow up yet. That is coming next year if everything goes according to plan. However, we do have a giant cardboard box that's taking up a lot of space in the living room. So we're going to blow that up. But first, somehow, despite my best efforts recreating the scene from Home Alone with that AK, there was still 6 survivors. I know, inexcusable. We have to take care of that first. Reload. Last bottle, last survivor. And I missed. There we go. Now, let's blow that box up. Okay. That is my new favorite way of getting rid of boxes. Oh, man. Well, hope y'all enjoy watching the video. Whew, is that Agent Orange? Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, have a great Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, not Happy Holidays, but hope y'all had a good time watching the video. Hope everybody's I'm filming this, probably everybody's in a food coma, but posting it later tonight. And as always, have fun, stay safe, get outside, touch some grass, and stack some brass. See y'all later.